Hello and welcome on this second video. Previously we were talking about this time series data, which has to do with air passenger. Okay, this data is a package that is already in R. So if you need this data, you just go in R and then you upload this package called air passenger. So when you upload it, that's it. You call on the data and that's it. You have it, and you can play around and do whatever you want with it. So after plotting, this data, this time series data, clearly when you look at these, like I was saying, we have seasonal fluctuation on the data set, right? So if you want to have like if you want to get a clearer view, of the trend of the data, the seasonal effect can be removed. So we can remove the seasonal effect. Maybe it's because of view, of the trend of the data. And to do so, there is a function called aggregate. When you use the aggregate function, it gives you a clearer view of your time series data. So I can use here, I can plot, if you want to, the aggregate function, right, of AP, and then we will see how actually our data looks. So that's how the time series data will look if we remove actually the seasonal effect, right? So clearly you see it's an upward trend, but you can see clearly how this is trending throughout the years. The next thing that we may want to do, we want to look at here, we can look at the box plot. If you want to use the box plot, this helps us see a summary of value for each season, right? So when you look at the box plot here, box, okay, of AP, so we can look at the box plot. Hopefully this will help us have a clearer view of the cycling effect AP. Then you can see this, right? Oh, what's going on? Let me see. Yeah, box plot actually is not box. All right, no problem. And then let's see. Okay, so that's the box of plot of our data set. So when you want to have this helps you actually see the summary of the value for each season. In January we have a much upper trend than January. So business slowed down in February. That's what you can clearly see here. As compared to January, business slows down. In March it goes up. In March, in April it goes down. April, May, it's a downward trend, right? By June, you see it picks up. Clearly in June, this is what's happening here. In June, July, August, we have an upward trend. These 3 months, and that's summertime. You see that we have an upward trend. And then I think, May, June, July, August, right? September, we have a downward trend. September, October, November, we have a downward trend. So by December, it goes up. January, it's up. So these are the peaks. You have your time series data. You will know actually when do you have your peak season, and then when you have this downward trend. And with that, you can plan ahead, and make provision. Maybe actually you have fewer employees. If you were to be like in I don't know, in restaurant industry, right? And then by June, July, or August that you have an upward trend, right? You can plan ahead maybe and recruit more employees to make things easier and flexible, satisfy, and give a better satisfaction to your customer. After these 3 months, you can lay out because it is a downward trend. The business is not good enough, so you can lay out, right? You can lay off, sorry, you lay off some employees. By December, you have an upward trend again, and then you hire a few more, temporary employees. December, January, by February, and then you lay them off. You give them. I don't think layoff should be the right word here, but you recruit temporary employees maybe for 2 months, December, January. After January, they know after 2 months they are out, so because they are temporary anyway, and then you do that. Every summer you hire more, and then December, January you hire more again, temporary employees. So that's how you can actually make use of this graph actually. So hey, thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.